Just want to give you a little trick, secret on how to sound like Howlin Wolf on that famous smokestack line. Okay, so it sounds like he's just playing a very simple bit. Just bending the 2 jaw up and down again. And then hitting the 2 below as well. Well, at least that's what it sounds like he's doing, but when you listen closely, he's actually playing the 3 below, which makes it sound kind of cool, between the 2 jaw and the 3 below. Hear that? Instead of it gives it that nice bit of contrast between the 3 below and the 2 jaw. The more I listen, the more I realise that all the best players know how to tastefully put in that 3 below. I always thought, okay, it's the same as the 2 jaw, so I don't need to worry about it, but it really does bring something to the table, and you throw it in nicely. Little Walter used it really well as well. Okay, have fun.